G'day, it's TimWanderer. Finally back out in the water again. So today we are doing one type of fishing only. We're targeting mackerels. I'm only just going to do jigs all the way, I hope. Now the place we are going to go is going to be Measure Mile and 4 Beacons. Basically following Wayne's video. I'll put a link at the bottom. Now if you're on Facebook and you're not following Wayne's land-based fishing group, you should. We are at Scarborough boat ramp. Come and join us. I don't know how this works. Woo!
That's not smoking.
Everything up.
It wasn't moving.
Until fat ass like me sat in. Never been in this marina before, so I don't want to go too crazy. But all right, let's go. All right, here's the line. It's only 12 meters, so. All right, let's see this one works or not. Oh, no, it's a vibe. Do you think they like colors? Who knows? Whoa, net!
Nice. Oh,
that's one.
nice. Spotty?
Yeah.
Spotty, right?
45 only. Leave another day. Ah, no. They throw hooks very quick. Oh, they're getting smaller. Greener or whatever. Once they're here.
Last time I caught him on the lure.
Yep, almost. Come on. Yep. Oh, I'm not even touching that. Go away. You and your catfish. Huh? Yeah, here we go.
The world's biggest catfish.
Oh my god.
Holy
It's like 80 centimeters catfish.
Look at that filth, man.
Oh.
How the hell do you clean that like with
I don't know. Catfish. Caught a couple undersized mackerel, but we're going to try the other Measure Mile before we decide whether we go all the way to 4 Beacons. That's a different beacon. I think this is the north side of the Measure Mile. Here, 12.8 meters. The second pillar or beacon at the Measure Mile didn't produce anything after half an hour, so we decided instead of going to mud, we're going to all the way to 4 Beacons.
Just from the water place, just how many people on board?
2. Yep.
Oh, yep. Just the owner.
I am. Tim.
You got your flares there?
Yeah. Sheets, flares.
Just watch your jackets. You got 2 level 50s.
Okay.
And then one 50S, which is smooth. So it's smooth waters only.
Okay.
So you're in partially smooth at the moment.
Oh right.
And then out of Morton is open.
No, this is
EPIRB and all that sort of thing. So
yeah, and then I do have an EPIRB.
yeah, no, that's fine. All good. You know how to use your EPIRB?
Yes. Test
You
it.
test it regularly?
Yes.
Right.
I was halfway, but I think I'm
You
dragging.
haven't had anything to drink?
No.
No, that's all good.
All good.
Okay.
You guys good?
Have a good day, hey?
You too.
Have
And
you
thanks.
been catching anything?
Tiny thing that we chucked back over at Measure Mile. So we came over here.
Any live bait?
No.
Nothing?
Just metal slug. Wow. It's a dolphin! Where did it go? I'll get this down first. Oh, one more.
Hey, got this too.
Yep, double hook up. Go to your left. We're dragging the anchor. Oh my god. No, gone. This one's gone. Lots of commotions and no fish. Still fun though. How's things, Sonny? I was gonna ping you. I say, hey, let's do a collab. And I did. I was at Measure Mile. Caught nothing. Tiny. Yeah. So I thought, let's come out here.
Holy cow.
You want to take them off first? Come on, Slimy, do your thing.
What did you get? Oh, okay.
Me too, I think. Me too.
one.
Oh, same. I'm trying. Let's swim back out. Good. Oh. All right, get the net ready. Shooter, come on. Get it in the water. Get it in the water. Get the net in the water. In the water. No need to be. Oh.
Holy shit, that's huge. Come on, over here. Over here. Yep, that's it. Oh, shit.
Is that mac tuna? They got
Close.
yeah. Oh.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Lost it. Oh, what? Is it the hook?
Coral. God damn it.
Far out, you came all the way here. Tie a stupid knot on the hook. Well, I'm putting this back down. Oh, after all that.
What? Put
Oh.
that bait?
Yeah, small thing.
Oh, you have
Yeah, look, small. Oh,
Still alright.
now
Still
you.
fighting. Hold up.
Come on. He's swimming to Morton Island. I will get you, don't worry.
That's not small.
Similar to, yeah. Oh, lost it.
No way. Your hook?
Oh,
Oh,
no, there, another one.
the same one. Isn't it the same one?
Yes.
Over here. Yeah. Nice leg. Yeah.
Woo!
Nice leg. Oh, look, I had a nibble out of it. This tail. Look.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Shark bites tail too.
Mate.
Second
Well
one.
done. Well done, man.
Oh, yeah. Two. Oh,
Holy cow, what was that?
sharky. See how much of it left? Oh my god. Yes, no, I don't know how this works.
Oh, just wind it, keep winding. Keep winding. Is this still jigging thing in?
Yeah, bring that up. Yeah. Oh no, it's still there. Oh, gone now. Whoop.
Come on, Ben. Right forward.
Whoa! Get my other line up as well, please. He's going to be around that thing.
You might still be able to come back this way.
Oh! Shit! Oh, gone.
You would have.
Yeah, it's one of those.
Hiding.
He went hiding. He hasn't gone left yet, so keep coming. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh my God. I have to go to the gym. Oh, he saw the boat. Shit. Let him go, let him go. Nothing you can do about it.
That boat.
No, our boat. Oh. How do you feel?
Bloody tired.
Oh. That's what fishing is about, eh?
That's our lowest I've ever fought.
That was a good fight. But once he got up around that pole, you have no choice. You lost him already. Great day out here at Moreton Bay. Never driven the boat this far out. We are at 4 Beacons. We were at Measure Mile before. Did catch some. By the way, that's Sunny, another YouTuber around in Moreton Bay. He does a lot of fishing video as well. I put his link at the bottom. Give him a thumbs up and subscribe to his channel. No rain, no wind, very calm. Caught a couple of big fish, first time, mac tuna. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like, share, subscribe buttons. Really appreciate that. It's TimWanderer signing out from 4 Beacons, and I'll see you out in the water. Bye.